Okay, let's have a look at these. GAN 251M Leap. So what is it? Large angle magnetic pot. So we have the cube. We have all the spare GS nuts on 2x2, and I don't think I've ever seen it on 2x2 before because I never actually tried the original 251M. And oh look, we have a GAN bag! Oh, what a surprise! And instructions, and yep, GAN and a screwdriver. Right, okay, nothing special. Right, let's try the cube. In fact, I'm just going to put the accessories back in the box. Yep, okay, time to try the cube. There we go. So yep, the plastic is pretty similar to the 11M Pro, and it feels pretty fast. Yeah, it feels a bit weird. I'm not sure what it is. There is definitely a distinctive magnetic click, but I'm not sure if it's... Don't know about this. I mean, they said the magnets would feel very strong. They don't feel as strong as they said. Maybe that's just me. Maybe I'm just not used to it. Maybe the lubricants out of the box makes it feel really fast and it slows down over time. I don't know, but it's interesting. Let's do a solve. Yep. So let's think about this. No, because those are going to flip. No, I don't know how to do that. I'm sure there was a really easy solution that anyone decent at 2x2 would recognise for that scramble, but yeah, I'm not good at 2x2, so I didn't notice it. Oh yeah, what I can do, can't I? Get scrambles up on CS timer and then put them on the screen. People to see. Okay, right. So let's get up 2x2 and there we go. Okay, yeah, very good. 2x2. So, yeah, not much more to say about this. It's a nice 2x2. I don't know, I probably will get around to reviewing it properly, but not sure in what context because I'm not good at 2x2. But it is now no longer on pre-order. I will update that shortly, and yeah, bit of a shorter live stream and very little interaction, unfortunately.